Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making chili garlic oil, a simple recipe that instantly upgrades your everyday food. You can use this oil on pizza, garlic bread, paratha, garlic naan, noodles, pasta, momos, sandwiches, eggs, literally everything. So let's begin. Take one small bowl of olive oil, which is around 120 ml. Heat the oil gently. Now add half a bowl of finely chopped garlic. Keep the flame low and cook it slowly so the flavor releases into the oil properly. Stir continuously and let the garlic cook gently. As the color starts changing, you will see how the aroma and taste begin infusing into the oil. Now add 1/4 bowl of chili flakes, switch off the gas and keep stirring. The heat of the oil is enough to activate the chili. Your chili garlic oil is now ready. Transfer it into a glass container and store it for daily use. This becomes your everyday flavor oil for cooking, drizzling, and finishing dishes. Comment below where you are going to use this chili garlic oil first. This oil is perfect for fusion cooking, cafe style snacks, quick flavor hacks, and everyday healthy flavoring. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the Yummy Vibes